emergent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Medina County until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm is located 6 miles northwest of Lodi and moving east at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Medina, Litchfield, Brunswick, Wadsworth. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Medina County, Ohio.